Okay, just in case you haven't had enough sweet stuff over the holidays, we decided to make Blondies, which some of you are probably familiar with. They're kind of like brownies, but they're not chocolate. So he's got all of our ingredients gathered here. Let me see. The dry ingredients are back here in this measuring cup, which is, you got cornstarch in there?
Yep.
Okay.
2¼ cup flour.
2¼ cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, half teaspoon baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And over here, we've got a cup of melted butter.
1¼ cup. 1¼ cup.
1¼ cups of brown sugar, packed. Half a cup of white sugar. 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. And then the mix-ins is supposed to be a cup of each, isn't it?
About, yeah.
Of chopped nuts and white chocolate chips, but this is all we've got, and it's probably
about a cup or so.
About a cup altogether.
Maybe a cup and change.
Yeah. So, and some vanilla to put in it. So let's get started with mixing this up. We've also got a 9x13 pan lined with parchment paper, and a little trick he learned to keep the paper under control was to just wad it up like crazy and then spread it out in the pan. So that's working really good. And the oven is preheating to 350 degrees. So he's going to start putting this together. Cup might have been a little damp. I just washed it a little while ago.
You start by combining the sugars
and the butter.
And the butter.
Okay.
Get real well.
Yeah, get it really well.
Real well incorporated. Yeah.
I guess we could have started a generator and used the big mixer.
We could have,
but you know, it seems like a lot of it. Even
I don't think it needs to be
mixed like that.
Like fluffed. You know what
right,
I mean?
Right.
Anything like that. So. And your eggs and your egg yolk. My egg yolk busted.
Yeah. And this was, you can see the different color. The 2 really dark orange ones are from our one chicken that we've got. And the light one is the store-bought eggs. So, yeah, you can really tell the difference between homegrown eggs and store-bought. Make a teaspoon?
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. That well incorporated. Did you use a spatula last time you did these?
I don't remember.
Okay. It worked, and you can scrape it all out that way too.
I probably started with a whisk.
Yeah.
It's pretty liquidy at first, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. And stir your dry ingredients all together. All the dry ingredients are already in here.
Okay.
And so
stir them in real good.
Mixed together good. slowly, gradually add your dry to your wet, so they're well combined.
Okay, we got it all mixed up. Now it's going to add the white chocolate chips and the nuts to it.
Chopped walnuts.
Yeah. Get those incorporated. We were just saying, I paused it while we were doing all the mixing because that was taking a while. But a person with a KitchenAid mixer with a dough hook could probably do this a lot easier.
But it doesn't take very long to.
No, it really doesn't.
Just by
It's just
hand,
that
so.
the dough is pretty stiff. I guess when the butter gets in there and everything gets in there, it starts cooling down.
Mm-hmm.
The butter be thick. So that's ready to put in the pan.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, going in the pan. It's very, very thick, as you can see.
It's about the consistency of peanut butter.
Yeah, it kind of looks like peanut butter. You're going to need the offset spatula to spread it, or that
I don't know. Don't know yet.
Okay. I'll hold this in. Spread it out and get it into every corner. Oops, I'm on camera. Okay, there it is, spread out in the pan. We're ready to put it in the oven. How long does this bake for?
25, 30 minutes.
25 to 30 minutes, and then we'll get it out and bring you back. So the blondies are out of the oven. They're very hot still. We'll let them cool for a while before we cut them and take them out of the pan. Try them. But I will get a picture of them after they're cut. They were in there for like 27 or 28 minutes cooking. Now we've got banana bread in the oven, but I didn't video that. So
Because it's banana bread.
because it's banana bread. Anyway, and I'll leave you a link in the description box for this recipe. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You got anything else we need to say? Nothing else? Okay. Hey, we decided to go ahead. It's cooled down, so He's going to cut it up in squares. At least get a couple of them out so we can dry them.
Nice and gooey looking.
Mm-hmm. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. That's real
Buttery
good.
and garlic pepper.
Mm-hmm. That's very good. Okay. There you go. Now it's really over. Now I'll take pictures. Thanks for watching.